How to turn on display over other apps on Botim app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video I'll show you guys how can you turn on display over other apps on Botim app. In order to turn on display over other apps on Botim app, you need to go to your settings, navigate to the apps and then applications. So in order to turn on display over other apps, you could just go ahead and follow the steps. First thing, you want to go ahead and log into the Botim application. Once you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Since I need to go ahead and enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to the SMS, so I just have to go ahead and enter in that. So when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. After which you want to click the Me button from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Then you want to go to notification. While you go to notification, you can see there is this tab to review permissions. You just press that, after which you could find this section as display over other apps. So there is also an indication that it says allow Botim to display on top of other apps. If you're sure about it, make sure to go ahead and toggle the button, and then now you need to go ahead and manually select the application for which you want to go ahead and do it. So all you need to do is just go ahead and make sure to toggle the button for the application that you want to display over the other one. So this is the way. Now for example, let's say if I want to do it, so I'm going to go with the Binance and then make sure to toggle the button and it has been displayed or it has been enabled. Now that's the way you go ahead and turn on display over other apps on your Botim app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.